In this video, we see multiple choice questions of topic sugar industry from paper industrial chemistry. You can also see other videos for inorganic chemistry and physical chemistry topic. For this, visit my channel Sapnali S. Jadhav. Subscribe my channel, like my videos and share to your friends also. So let us start multiple choice questions from topic sugar industry. Here first question is table sugar means glucose, fructose, lactose, sucrose. So you are well known that commonly chemically it is known as sucrose. Table sugar means sucrose. Second, is a sugar bowl of India. Maharashtra, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh. So correct option is D. Uttar Pradesh is a sugar bowl of India. Sugar industry is largest agro-based industry in India. First, second, third, fourth. So correct option is second. Sugar industry is second largest agro-based industry in India. The crusher extracts about percentage of juice from the chips. 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 80 to 90. So correct option is C, that is 60 to 70% of juice from the chips. Compound imbibition technique is used to decolorize cane sugar, crystallize sugars from acequate, extract juice from cane sugar, concentrate sugar cane juice. So correct option is C, that is extract juice from cane sugar. The process of removing the impurities from the cane juice is known as centrifugation, clarification, fermentation, affination. So correct option is B, clarification. It is also known as depucation. The process of removing the impurities from the cane juice is known as clarification or depucation. Depucation process is used for cane juice to decolorize, crystallize, purify, concentrate. In last of MCQ we see that depucation means what? Removal of impurities. So depucation process is used for cane juice to purify, that is option C. Lime depucation of cane juice is used to remove soluble impurities, insoluble impurities, suspended matter, all of this. So correct option is D, all of this. Lime depucation of cane juice is used to remove soluble impurities, insoluble impurities, suspended matter means option D, that is all of this. The steam heater receives cane juice from first mill, second mill, third mill crusher. So correct option is A, that is first mill. The perforated pan is fitted only below mill numbered first, second, third crusher. So perforated pan is fitted only below mill numbered first. In steam heater, cane juice is heated to 328 Kelvin, 333 Kelvin, 373 Kelvin, 381 Kelvin. So correct option is B, that is the in steam heater cane juice is heated to 333 Kelvin. The scum, clear juice and mud layers are formed in melter, clarifier, vacuum pan, juice heater. So correct option is B, that is clarifier. Concentrating cane juice gives a semi-solid mass called mother liquor, masequate, sugar cube, strict pan. So correct option is option B, that is concentrating cane juice gives a semi-solid mass called a masequate. Masequate is formed in melter, clarifier, strict pan, triple effect vacuum evaporator. So correct option masequate is formed in strict pan, that is option C. The water content of clarified cane juice is percent, 15%, 35%, 65%, 85%. So correct option, that is D, it contains 85% of water content, that is clarified cane juice very dilute, that is it contains 85% of water content. The crystallization of sucrose in vacuum pan is called sugar boiling, affination, depucation, none of this. So the crystallization of sucrose in vacuum pan is called sugar boiling, option A. The separation of sugar crystals from mother liquor is known as crystallization, centrifugation, fermentation, depucation. So the separation of sugar crystals from mother liquor is known as centrifugation, that is option B. due to coating of molasses, sugar crystals appear dot dot, red, gray, grayish, brown, green. So correct option is C. Due to coating of molasses, sugar crystals appear grayish brown. Option C. The order flow of cane juice in sugar manufacturing is. So you check the options. So correct option is option A. First step is in stemmeter, clarifier, crystallizer, and last one is centrifugation in centrifuge. So correct option is A. Most of the cane juice is extracted in dot dot, first mill, second mill, third mill, crusher. So correct option, most of cane juice is extracted in crusher, that is option D. The coating of molasses film and coloring matter are removed by dot dot, affination, depiction, sulfitation, carbonation. So correct option is A. Affination. The coating of molasses film and coloring matter are removed by affination. Depiction process includes dot dot, sulfitation, carbonation, liming, all of these. So correct option is D. All of these. Depiction process includes sulfitation, carbonation, liming, all of these. That is D. The density scale used to measure sugar concentration is dot dot, pan, bricks, tricks, calendria. Correct option is bricks. The density scale used to measure sugar concentration is bricks. Decolonization of cane juice is done using dot dot, sulfitation, carbonation, ion exchange resin, all of these. So decolonization of cane juice is done using all of these: sulfitation, carbonation, ion exchange resin, means option D, all of these. You also remember here that activated carbon is also used for decolonization of cane juice. Sugar containing moisture is dried in dot dot, pan, dryer, granulator, none of these. So correct option is option C. Sugar containing moisture is dried in granulator. Byproducts of sugar industry are dot dot, cane tops, bagasse, filter muds, all of these. So byproducts of sugar industry: cane tops, bagasse, filter muds, and also it contains one main byproduct. You are well known about that. It is molasses. So for question number 26, correct option is D. All of these byproducts of sugar industry are cane tops, bagasse, filter muds, molasses. The next, bagasse is used for dot dot, electricity generation, fuel, manufacture of cellotax, all of these. So bagasse is used for fuel, electricity generation, manufacture of cellotax, means correct option is D. All of these. Sucrose content of blackstrap is about dot dot, 8 to 12%, 18 to 20%, 25 to 40%, 80 to 82%. So correct option is C, that is 25 to 40%. Sucrose content of blackstrap is about 25 to 40%. Alcohol manufacturing uses steel for dot dot, seeding, fermenting, distilling, diluting molasses. So alcohol manufacturing uses steel for distilling. Molasses contains dot dot fermentable sugars, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 25 to 40, 50 to 60. Correct option D, that is 50 to 60% fermentable sugars, out of which 30 to 40% sucrose and 15 to 20% glucose and fructose. Remember that. Optimum pH for yeast growth is dot dot, acidic, basic, neutral, none of these. So correct option is acidic. Optimum pH for yeast growth is acidic, and it maintain acidic by adding sulfuric acid. The next, ammonium sulfate added to diluted molasses helps to dot dot, increases pH, reduce pH, neutralize acid, promote bacterial growth. So correct option is D. Ammonium sulfate or phosphate added to diluted molasses helps to promote bacterial growth. Slow and incomplete decomposition of organic matter by living organisms with the evolution of gas is known as dot dot. Breaking, fermentation, neutralization, none of these. So correct option is fermentation. Slow and incomplete decomposition of organic matter by living organisms with the evolution of gas is known as fermentation. Fermentation is also called anaerobic process as it occurs in dot dot, presence of oxygen, presence of carbon dioxide, absence of oxygen, absence of carbon dioxide. So you are well known about that. Anaerobic means absence of oxygen, that is option C. You may also ask the question that fermentation is dot dot process, aerobic, anaerobic, then remember that fermentation is anaerobic process. Dot dot enzyme hydrolyzes sucrose to glucose and fructose. Zymase, invertase, both A and B, none of these. So correct option is invertase. Invertase enzyme hydrolyzes sucrose to glucose and fructose. Next, dot dot enzyme incompletely oxidizes sugar to ethanol, that is ethyl alcohol. Zymase, invertase, both A and B, none of this. So here correct option is A. Zymase enzyme incompletely oxidizes sugar to ethyl alcohol or ethanol. Fermentation is dot dot process. Exothermic, endothermic, endorgic, none of this. So correct option is exothermic. Fermentation is exothermic process. Next, dot dot percent of sugar concentration is most suited for fermentation. 20 to 30, 8 to 10, 60 to 70, 80 to 90. So here correct option is B, that is 8 to 10% of sugar concentration is most suited for fermentation. Next, in fermentation the pH of wort must be dot dot 4.5, 7.0, 9.5, 12.0. We are well known that for fermentation the requirement of pH is acidic. So from option B option is for neutral, C and D are basic. So correct option is A, that is 4.5. remember that acidic 4.5. Then last question, aqueous solution of 10 to 12% alcohol called dot dot. Steel, bricks, wash, none of this. So correct option is C, aqueous solution of 10 to 12% alcohol called the wash. Here we completed the multiple choice questions from topic sugar industry. Thank you for watching my video. Please comment in comment box your opinion about this video and also check the description box for other videos. Thank you very much.